welcome to HamBrief, episode 35. It's the ARRL Field Day today in the United States, and we're live out here at the Arizona Science Center at the Ham Shack on the 3rd floor. And there's lots of people stopping by to do a little PSK 31, talk on some local repeaters, and we've really got the red carpet treatment out here, so let's go check it out. So this is it, the Harkins Ham Shack at the Arizona Science Center. And hi, we've got some volunteers and we have someone that actually works here. And this is the Ham Shack on the 3rd floor of the Science Center. And lots of cool stuff. We've got some Ham Deluxe, some Morse code keys to teach kids how to do CW. We've got a video here of all the amateur radio stuff from the ARRL, radio news, world map. Of course you have to have the world map. And we also have a sheet here with contacts from that they've been making on the HF rigs out here.
What's the term contact paper?
This is the contact paper. And this is the ham of the Ham Shack. David. Well, I should say one of the hams. There's a lot of hams.
Did I ever tell you my Pentagon joke?
No, I haven't heard your Pentagon joke.
This chap came into Washington, D.C. for the first time, and he took a cab to his meeting. And the trip took him by the Pentagon. Looked at me and said to the cab driver, "It's enormous. How many people work there?" The cab driver scratched his head and said, "I think about 40%.
There you go. Now, a dot sounds like, and a dash sounds like, so the V sounds like, yeah. Try it. You do it. Keep going. That's good, except you have to leave a little space between the letters so that one has the other begins. Take that with you. Look at the back. You got the help.
So David,
yeah.
who are you? What's your call sign?
W7PMD.
And what do you think the kids think of all the Morse code stuff? Do they think it's fun, or what do they think?
Most of them think it's a lot of fun. A lot of the adults think it's outdated and passé, and the kids are just having a good time doing it. And they like it.
Hi, so who are you?
My name is John, KC7KML, and working at the W7ASC Harkins Ham Shack, since the Harkins have donated to us. We have a variety of modes to work here. We have HF, VHF, UHF, satellite, ATV. We do PSK 31 and other digital modes, as well as Echolink and IRLP.
And this is all the Arizona Science Center, and this is Field Day, ARRL Field Day today. Have you had a lot of traffic through here, more than normal, or about the same, you think?
A little more than last week, but that was Kids Day too. But it's been a real good day. We've had probably about 17 kids on the radio already. Made a few contacts on the HF out of state, but with two radios real close to each other, that's kind of hard to do. We're running our HF radio, and we can run up to 2 of them with different computers using Ham Radio Deluxe. Since we're on the digital floor, that makes it a little more into the area that we're in.
So you're on the top floor, so do you have an antenna right outside?
Well, actually, we're on the 3rd floor.
Oh, the 3rd? There's another one on top?
There's a 4th floor. But yeah, we have a set of antennas on top. We've got a beam, we've got some verticals, we've got a number of slopers. And so just generally everything we need. We also have a satellite antenna up there to do tracking of satellites.
Very cool. Well, why don't you show me a little bit what type of equipment you have here?
Gene, we're going to go over. This is our radio cabinet over here. Let me pull this out of your way. And this is the HF radio we're running right now with Ham Radio Deluxe. It's a 570S. And it's the one with the rotor on it and has 3 different antennas on it. You see our antenna switching box there from sloper to beam to vertical. This is the one we're going to be using with satellite. This is our TV. And then this is the power supply for our small VHF UHF rig.
Well, this is a very cool ham shack. I think one to envy by the rest of us.
We try to set the standard for the nation. There's supposed to be another radio up here, but the guy that was letting us use it has had to take it back, and we've got to get another one, and it can be run remotely too, another HF.
Very cool. So then we've got several stations, it looks like, Ham Radio Deluxe, and around the outside we also have like some Morse code stations teaching kids how to use Morse codes.
And we also can run video things on the computer. We've got a PowerPoint presentation of all the QSL cards going on the computer over there, as well as Echolink. And then we have our large screen TV playing clips from field days past and an ad for this field day. But we also can play the one with Walter Cronkite, Ham Radio Today.
Oh, that's a great video,
We also have a big fancy PowerPoint. We also have a map here where we're keeping track of places we've contacted. Now, not all the dots on there to this year, but some are. Some were last year's, but we're showing what we did last year and what we're doing this year.
Oh, that is very cool. And you said even this morning you had Vermont or something?
Yep, Vermont and also Iowa.
Awesome.
And I don't know who I'm listening to now. Getting ready to contact another HF station.
Very cool. Well, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Okay. Did you get his call sign?
I got part of it.
Hey, thanks.
She had something she wanted to say.
That's not good. I got to school in time.
Yeah, that's
Yes,
correct.
sir.
You got it right.
You did good. You did good. Wow. Listen. You're visiting Arizona? Yep, first time in the States. Yes. First time in America.
First time in America. Boy, that was good.
That's right, we had pizza, huh?
Pizza. Hey, thanks very much.
How do I spell her M? E-M-M-A?
Yes.
The amanuensis here is trying to write your call sign down, and we missed it. Want to give it to him again, Tom?
We'll see, maybe later.
Oh.
You get to pick a rubber duck. Which one up there would you like? You're really brave running around. First visit. It says Utah. It says
Bye, thank
Haley
you.
talk to Ace.
Hey, fellow ham geeks. Well, I hope you enjoyed this episode. I know I did. This has been one of the most fun episodes. There's so much technology and geekery here at the Arizona Science Center, and to have a specially dedicated ham shack on the 3rd floor with lots of volunteers, lots of cool radios and equipment is just fantastic. So I think it just shows you that ham radio is alive and well, and lot of new amateurs coming into the community. So until next week, 73s.